Hey killer queens, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're gonna walk through this together. I'm gonna try Wiggins Hair for the first time, and I decided, darlings, to go with this delicious red color. Now, I have done a red before, but I have never done it to the roots, so I'm really excited about how this is gonna turn out. Y'all gonna come with me for the journey, okay? So I did previously cut off the lace before you saw me like fling it on there, and the inside of the cap is your basic lace front wig, but it's got tons of parting room in the front. They definitely did not skimp on that. You've got your standard clips, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. You got your drawstring, pulley, pull. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out the pack on my head. I haven't done anything with the baby hairs yet, or darkened the lace or anything. So this one came with no real parting, so I decided to go with a side part. Even though you guys know I'm kind of a middle part girl, I said, you know what, let me just do a side part, play around with that. We added some foam. Let's get her flattened down, and I'm just over directing it in the direction that I need to go to make sure that my side part's looking right. So after my part was created, we kind of opened her up and everything was in that direction. I had to tweeze the parting just a little bit. I felt like it needed a little bit of opening, and I'm really sorry that my camera is out of focus. It wanted to focus on my mirror instead of me. So I opened that up a bit, and then I took my beauty blender and I sprayed it with a bit of water, and then I used the color foundation that's like one shade a tad bit darker than me, and then I darkened the lace a bit. I just found the lace was a little bit light for my skin complexion, so I darkened it. I usually feel like I have to use a foundation that's a little bit darker than my skin, just because I find the ones that are my skin color ends up being a bit too light or too like reddish. I don't know, I find that. Then I went in with some concealer and brightened up the parting area a bit, blended that in. Obviously used a little too much. Just take some paper towel, wipe that down, girl, and you good to go. Next up, I took my little razor comb and I kind of shortened some of those baby hairs a bit more. They kind of came medium short, but you already know, guys, I'm not the big baby hair person. You know, I play with it a little bit, but it just doesn't work with the size of my forehead. It's a little small. So I just chopped them down a little bit around my hairline just to give it a little more realistic look. But overall, I really like that I didn't have to do the most with this wig. I really kind of took it out of the package and just had to make really minor tweaks. Use my little baby hair brush here, comb some of those hairs down. I love me some yellow got to be gel, I tell you, for this. I really do. It's like my fave. After we're done with that, we're going to tie her down, let her set in and cook. And you know what's funny, guys? I didn't even add a band to this wig, actually, I realized. I did not. Oh, that's a win for me. The less work you gotta do, the better, okay? So tied her down for a bit, and then I went in and touched her up with the flat iron. Then she was cooked and ready to go, darling. I was so nervous, you guys, about doing a solid red. I've actually never done a solid red, but I was feeling this on my chocolate skin, you know what I'm saying? Comment below and let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer the red with the roots or the red straight from the roots? Let me know. And y'all know already, no look is complete to me without some earrings. I felt like I was on my Ariel vibes, so you had to go with the greens. You had to go with some greens. And then, I had to just like serve y'all a little bit, just a little bit. Just play with that. Okay, girl, how you doing? Wait a second. Have you subscribed though? I mean, we've been here talking and chatting. You need to subscribe. If you made it this far, right? Okay. Yes. Please. Don't forget. Alright, guys. So comment below. Let me know if you all think I should do red more often, one. Or what color I should do next. I'm so impressed with the tones in this wig. Like, y'all, it's such a beautiful color, and I didn't have to do any work, y'all. Like, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, I'm gonna let y'all go and get back to what you're doing. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit.